Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे thermal properties of matter, question 5 and question 6, paper 2, 5054. Let's start. Question 5. Describe in terms of molecule the structure of a solid. The structure of a solid अगर आप ये देख रहे होंगे, as you can identify. ये solid है, this is liquid and this is gas. इनमें मैं आपको differences बताता हूँ. Solid, regular, उसके पास एक pattern है. Solid has a pattern and it is very densely packed. While जो gas it is not quite densely packed, or liquid it is also quite densely packed but not on the same level as solids, and it is in a fixed position. Solids will stay in a fixed position while fluids जो है that will take the shape of the container. So that are the few differences. Molecules in fixed places, positions, arrangement in orderly repeating regular manner close to each other tightly packed. ये तीनों मैंने आपको बता दिए. ठीक है ना? मूविंग ऑन. बल्कि इसको थोड़ा सा ना रख देते हैं आपकी आसानी के लिए. B. 4.1 shows a metal worker heating a horseshoe to a high temperature before shaping it. तो ये horseshoe है, इसको high temperature पे raise किया गया है. The metal worker then cools the horseshoe by dropping it into 8 kilograms of water. इसको पानी के अंदर फेंक दिया गया है. Water at 18 degrees Celsius. The final temperature of the water is 43 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो पहले 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस था, फिर 43 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक चला गया. The specific heat capacity of water is 4200. Calculate the thermal energy transferred to the water as the horseshoe cools. तो उसने बेसिकली ना एक गर्म चीज को एक 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस के पानी में फेंका. गर्म, इट इज कंपैरेटिवली हॉट, सो यू हैव थ्रोन इट इनटू 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस का वाटर में. और उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स द हीट विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इनटू द बॉडी ऑफ वाटर. सो 18 से 43 हो गया वाटर का टेम्परेचर. तो हम इसका फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर लेते हैं. फॉर्मूला क्या है? Q is equals to mc delta T. C will be specific heat capacity, delta T will be change in temperature, मतलब final minus initial, and M will be the mass. So let's see, Q is equals to M, which is 8 into 4200, which is the specific heat capacity, और उसके बाद into change in temperature 43 minus 18, so 25. 8 into 4200 into 25 will give us an answer of 840,000 joules. और इसको हम कर लेते हैं joules. That will translate to 8.4 into 10 raised to the power of 5. So that is the energy transferred to the water as the horseshoe cools. The heat capacity of the horseshoe is 850 joules per centigrade. Calculate the temperature of the horseshoe immediately before it is dropped into the water. तो इसने हमें ना दिया हुआ है हीट कैपेसिटी है हमारे पास, एंड वी आल्सो डू हैव द एनर्जी. ठीक है ना? 840,000 is the energy. So we have to apply the simple formula of Q is equals to C delta T. Delta T will be the change in temperature. तो हम सीधा लिख देते हैं change in temperature. हमारे पास है Q which is 840,000, and we also have the heat capacity which is 850 into T, or change in temperature. So let's check the answer. 840,000 divided by 850. That will give us 988. The temperature will be 988. 988. Let's check. 988 is the temperature. I don't know why there is a range of temperature. अच्छा, और for ठीक. So that is the answer. You have to mention the unit as well. I can't because I don't know the specific keys to press and get the degree Celsius ka unit. So, anyways, never mind that. Question 6. Water from the cooling tower at 30 degrees Celsius passes into the ground and is heated to 160 degrees Celsius. So the temperature changes 160 minus 30, which is 130. 130 is the temp change. आगे देख लेते हैं. The specific heat capacity is 4200. Calculate the thermal energy needed to heat 18 kilograms of water from top of 30 degrees Celsius to 160 degrees Celsius. So let's do the math. Specific heat capacity का फॉर्मूला क्या था? इसको कर लेते हैं हम कॉपी और यहाँ कर देते हैं इसे फिक्स्ड. स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी का फॉर्मूला है Q is equals to M, which is a mass, C specific heat capacity, delta T, which is a change in temperature. So they're asking for the thermal energy needed to heat 90 kilograms of water. So mass में पता चल गया mass is 90 kgs. और उसके बाद डेल्टा टी है हमारे पास 130 एंड स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी हमें दी हुई है उन्होंने which is 4200. अच्छा, let's apply the formula. So M will be 90 into specific heat capacity will be 4200 into delta T will be 130, which will give us a answer of 1 2 3 यहाँ 49 million मतलब 4.9 into 10 raised to the power of 7. So let's check. This is the right answer. So yeah, that is the answer. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.